Dapat ba marunong ka mag-kanji?
Hindi ako nagising na natuto ako magluto ng Japanese food. Nag-aral ako mag-kanji, 5 taon, 10 taon.
Para makapagluto ng Japanese food?
Ang mga nagsasabi po na madali lang magluto ng Japanese food, mag-aral po muna kayong mag-kanji, sa kanya sabihin sa akin na madali lang magluto ng Japanese food.
Maraming foreigners na find it challenging para magluto ng authentic Japanese food. Bakit? It's the unique ingredients, techniques, and cultural differences. Sa Japan, there's a rich tradition of culinary excellence. Ang journey para matutunan ang art na ito ay nangangailangan ng pag-intindi hindi lang sa recipes, pati na rin sa culture mismo. Lucky for us, Japan offers a variety of programs. May cultural classes na tailored for foreigners. Pwedeng mag-enroll sa community centers to learn traditional recipes. Support groups and international associations are also there, hosting events and welcoming environment. Some language schools even include culinary arts in their curriculum. At kung busy ka naman, maraming online options din. Sabi nga nila, the secret to understanding a culture is through its food. Go a step further and try something new today. This is Amy J. Let's explore Japan's culinary world together.